Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shekzi.com. Today we are going to discuss about the CSS, the way of the CSS, the usage of the CSS, how to use the CSS. We have three ways to insert the CSS styling, to use the properties and value. First of all, inline, then internal, then external. So three ways to add the CSS styling. What are the inline styling? For suppose if you have a paragraph and you are writing like this style, I'm saying color and I'm saying red, that means you are using the inline styling. And if you have a HTML, for suppose one.php, don't worry about it. If you have a styling, for suppose HTML, and you are writing in the header style, and you are writing here, for suppose color equals to red, or h1 color equals to red. So that means you are using the internal styling. So what about the external styling? The external styling is that styling that means you are separating the CSS code from your HTML. In simple words, you need to create the .css file, and you need to attach that file in your project or in your HTML page. So these are the three ways to insert the HTML code, or to embed the HTML, or to embed the CSS styling. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.